What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I will be showing you guys all the stuff that I got for my birthday. No, disclaimer, this video is not me boasting or bragging about the stuff that I got for my birthday. I am simply making this video for content to upload on my channel. With that being said, I just want to say thank you very much to the man above for extending my stay. Thank you to everyone that wished me a happy birthday. Thank you to everyone that got me a gift. Words can't express how grateful I am, honestly. Also, in revealing my gifts, I feel like it is only fair, it is only right if I leave the names out of it, simply because I don't want anyone to feel any less that they did not get me a gift, you know. So in no specific order, let's get to the gifts. Now, the first gift that I'm going to show you guys is my Crocs. Funny story, I've always wanted to purchase a Crocs, and I always told myself that when I'm going to do it, it would definitely have to be these bad boys right here, simply because they are the cutest ever made, period. It's the colorfulness for me. It's the pastel for me. It's everything for me. Like, these are super cute. I love them so much. Listen, I am wearing these everywhere. I've literally worn these like 5 times already. So if you don't want me to wear my Crocs come on your wedding, don't send me no invitation. If you don't want to see me roll up in my Crocs their church, I know God worship, because God say, come as you are. All fun and jokes aside, I really love these bad boys. They are super cute and very, very comfortable. People are not lying when they say Crocs are comfortable. They might look like they're not comfortable, but they are literally one of the most comfortable shoes that I ever worn. I am in love. This gift is actually 2 sets of hoop earrings. I have one in silver, another one in gold. They're actually diamond hoop, heart hoop, and a regular hoop. I have the same thing in the silver set as well. These are super cute, and if you know me, I'm a sucker for hoops, so I'll definitely be wearing these any and everywhere. Also, I am a person like this. If I am wearing silver, it is straight silver. I don't like mixing my jewelry, so I am in love with the fact that I actually got the gold, and I have the same thing in silver as well. Now, this gift is actually a mini makeup pouch, and I also got it with this Flower Bomb mini travel size perfume. I am super grateful for these, and actually this doesn't have to be like a mini makeup pouch either. It could be whatever travel size thingy that I want it to be, and I am in love with this perfume. It's very sweet. I am going to travel with this, so if I'm going on a little, no, I can just pop it out and understand. The next gift that I have is this multicolored glitter cushion. It's in the shape of a heart. I really like it. I've yet to use it. Actually, the person that I got this from, she makes cushion on her Instagram, so I'm going to put her Instagram page right here so you guys can go to her and purchase cushions if you want. She also has like this skincare stuff and hair products selling, so you guys can go and check her out. The next gift that I got is, yes, so I opened this already. It is actually a 5-cent self-defense combo pack where I get this mini pepper spray and this stun gun. How cute are they? No, my body no. My body no. My body no. So anybody feel them body run up on me. Yeah. Anybody feel them body run up on me. Anybody feel them body run up on me. But it's a go so. Oh, this is actually a case that I can put the taser in. Oh, I'm not too like using it. Jesus! No, son, no. This gets me every time. I will never get used to this. Anyway, would I get? Me no care where you come from. Somebody have to go up my life. What me say? Me bad. A problem. I'm doing this something. Oh, wait. What is this? No, it can't go into your body. Oh, the thing won't lock. Shall I look out? Alright. Set it up now. Well, the good thing about this is it has a safety. Nobody now go run up on me because they know how the badness come down. What me say, they know the badness come down. Nobody run up on me now, you know, because I don't want to do nothing. I have to tell them no sorry, you know. And anybody approach me right now, they have to take time approach me. I'm bad. I can't say I never want to, you know. You know, approach me with caution, because remember me have the thing them lock right now. You can't get, or you can't get. You understand me? It could be a flashlight, then the taser. The next gift that I got is this is a diamond piece. It is actually a diamond earring and it has its matching necklace. This is super duper cute. I love it. I'm about to be wearing this as well. I can pair this with all my other silver accessories, or if I am going somewhere and I just want to put on something chic, cute, and very much bossy. Definitely wearing this if I want to be classy like. Period. The next gift that I got is, if you know me, you know that this is my favorite brand of watch line, simply because I'm a very skinny person and I feel like when I wear the general size watch, they look too big on my hands, so I really love wearing Casio watches. Casio watches, they're like vintage classic watches. I am in love. The next gift I got is guys, I got this makeup train kit. Like, talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Oh my god, I am so in love. I can't wait to start using it. I can't wait to even get different makeups to put in it. Ooh, love, 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 love. The next gift that I got is ta-da! This is the original classic Pandora bracelet, guys. It is super cute. I am in love. I need to get myself some charms because I can't be out here just having the Pandoras without charms. Next gift that I have is this Pandora bracelet. It is actually the two-toned bracelet, like the regular snakeskin band, but it has a gold heart on it. Super duper cute. I love this. And yes, like I said again, I'm going to have to buy me some charms to not have my stuff looking all lonely. The last gift that I got is I got a charm. This is so cute. I love this so much. This is actually my zodiac sign. It's a Cancer charm, and I love the fact that on both sides it has a design, because on this side it is the Cancer sign with some diamonds in it. On the other side, of course, it is still the Cancer sign, but on this side it has a different pattern with some stars. It is super duper cute. I really love this. That is it from me in today's video, guys. I hope you found this content appealing. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.